Hey, DIY enthusiasts and cleanliness aficionados! Welcome back to The Big Sweep, the place where we bring you practical, money-saving, and eco-friendly solutions. Let's dive into the details and demonstrate how this magic cleaner works on various bathroom surfaces. First, take a quick peek at the amazing results you can achieve with our DIY bathroom cleaner. Isn't that impressive? You won't believe how easy it is to achieve those results. Stick around, and we'll show you the magic behind this DIY cleaner. Alright. Let's get down to business. Here are the ingredients and tools you'll need for our DIY bathroom cleaner. Number 1 is washing soda, not baking soda. You can purchase washing soda, or you can make your own from baking soda. For instructions to do this, see our video, The DIY Washing Soda for DIY Cleaning Products That Really Work. Isopropyl alcohol or rubbing alcohol is number 2. The third ingredient is dish soap. Number 4 is essential oil, any kind you like. Number 5 is boiling water and cold water. You will also need an empty spray bottle, a large measuring cup that holds at least 2 cups, and lastly, a funnel. Most of these items, you probably already have at home. It's super budget-friendly. Now, let's walk through the simple steps to make this powerful DIY bathroom cleaner. First, measure a 1/4 cup washing soda into the measuring cup. Then pour in boiling water to just below the 1/4 cup line, and stir to dissolve the washing soda. Next, pour in a 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol. Then, add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon dishwashing liquid to bind the ingredients together. Add 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil for a pleasant fragrance. Mix the ingredients thoroughly. Then pour 1 cup cold water into a spray bottle. Lastly, pour the washing soda mixture into the spray bottle. Fasten the sprayer and give it a shake to combine everything. Now, let's see how our DIY bathroom cleaner works on various bathroom surfaces. Look at that shine! It effortlessly removes soap scum, water spots, and grime from sinks, leaving them sparkling clean. And check out how it works on faucets. They look brand new. Even on countertops, our DIY cleaner does wonders. Say adios to stains and hello to a spotless bathroom. Now, the real test, shower tiles. Watch as it tackles the toughest soap scum and mold stains. If you're as impressed as we are, give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our fantastic DIY solutions. Watch the video shown on the screen for instructions on how to make your own washing soda.